Welcome back to the channel, you guys. I got the Tremor in the garage and I'm just tinkering on it, which sort of sparked me to make this video because it's more of a question than it is anything else. Would you guys be interested in a vlog style video? And what I mean by that is I'm always tinkering on the truck, doing little things here and there, and I don't often pull my camera out for it because there's just really no need to. It usually is an issue that either a personal issue that I just want to fix, like get something quickly on an auxiliary switch, or I'm fixing something that's broken, doing some trimming for my tires, anything like that. So I don't really have a specific title, or I can't really make a specific video on it. So I just do more of a vlog style video where you guys come hang out, you watch the video, get the entertainment, and maybe pick up a thing or two if this is an issue that you're having with your truck. But let me know, you guys. So for example, these running boards, I made a YouTube short a few months ago back in the winter. I hit a hard snowbank and I actually broke the arm on the running board because I lifted it lifted up and actually snapped the arm. And because of that, the running board then fell down and it ripped the wire out of this light, so the light's not working. Boost Auto was gracious enough to send us a new light strip and an end cap where the connections are all happen. And I'm just gonna fix this really quickly here, as well as I'm gonna entertain the idea of trimming this plastic kind of corner piece off because my tires keep rubbing on it. So this piece usually just sits right here on the truck, just like that, and then this kind of goes up here and then you put those two screws in. So I took this off because you can see that, you know, I don't know if you can really tell from the video, but it is rubbing on the corner right here. And I might just trim this back a little bit and then trim it here a little bit. That way kind of I lose the whole corner piece here and then I shouldn't rub anymore. But stuff like this, yeah, I usually just go ahead and do it. But should I be making small little videos on this, little vlog videos that can entertain you guys, and so you can really keep up to date on every little thing I'm doing on the truck? You know, I do have more videos yet to come. We got the Airhawk mud flaps that still need to go on the truck. I just finished a long work shutdown, some long days. I was working every weekend for like the last 4 weeks. And because of that, the videos have been a little bit slow. So we're gonna get back into it right away here, get the rear mud flaps on. Not sure about the fronts yet because I'm afraid that if I rub or if I turn, I'll rip them right off. So we'll see what we do with the fronts, but for sure the back's gonna be going on right away. I also have some more stuff coming from F150 LEDs. They're sending me a set of their Raptor grill lights that fit right into these 3 slots right here. So there, and right there. And I will be doing an install video on that, just hooking them right up to our daytime running lights. So stay tuned, you guys. But like I said, we always do separate videos for that kind of stuff, those how-to videos. And I just want to know, for all the small little stuff I do on the truck, would you guys be interested in watching a vlog style video? Let me know in the comments below, you guys. Thanks for being here. I'll see you guys shortly.